Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Party hakas nginingkong kalaminjur ya kathop kerteng kabaningkong ne ka first list jong ki Kyrtong ki banyakhun sha ka election MDC jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka Bansalong Shen u Marcus and Marak ubalong unong aiktien jong ka NPP ulapen bena ya kathop kerteng baningkong jong ki Kyrtong ki bakanthop na Siju constituency u Ghadc Moment na Wajesik u Jewel S Marak na Gozapara u Sengchim N Sangma na Barengapara u Kapilson A Sangma na Babellapara u Rakesh A Sangma na Among Para u Balzrang Areng na Tura u Charming Star N Sangma na Dengnakpara u Credixon CH Marak na Nogorpara u Linekar K Sangma na Zigzag u Sanjay A Sangma na Beta Singh u Sanjay Coach na Rochanpara u Albinushn B Marak na Asananak u Aseng A Sangma na Balachanda u Andresh CH Marak na Batapari u Maxwell M Sangma na Shyamnagar u Peter Job A Sangma na Jengjal u Graham Bell A Sangma na Rongrong u Sunny Roger G Momin na Bolsong u Pongseng R Sangma na Damus u Dolly K Sangma na Kharkuta u Modi M Sangma na Samandagre u Nihim D Shira na Darugre u Henen R Sangma but na William Nagar constituency u Sengbat R Marak u Marcus ulo ang bahagi ni kisngi banwan ka parti kan sa penbenasay ki sangot ki Kyrteng jong ki Kyrtong ki barang sa banray bat ka parti kan penyakhun hak kabakenthop ka Raksam Gre Nogar Para Bogdam Gre Silky Gre bat ka Rongrik Kim Gre constituency u Marcus ulayathu baka parti kanyakhun na baro arpukhandai tali ki constituency bat ka parti kalapan khre bhanak banta banyakhun hak election GHADC u Marcus ulayathu ba ka parti kalapan do tiket ya u sitting MDC u balong ru u chief executive member ka GHADC u Albinushn Marak na Siju constituency.
I would like to welcome print media and also the electronic media to this press conference. This is specially regarding the GHADC elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the state committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today, the state committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, Siju constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Moman. To Wagesik, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jewel S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengchim N. Sangma. 6. Barengapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babellapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balzrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Credixon CH Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Linekar K. Sangma. 13. Zigzag, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14 Betta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15 Rochonpara, Sri Albinushn B. Marak. 16 Asanang, Sri Ansing A. Sangma. 17 Balachandra, Sri Andres C. H. Marak. 18 Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19 Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22 Jenjal, Sri Grahambel A. Sangma. 23 Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Moman. 24 Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25 Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26 Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27 Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28 Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29 William Nagar, Sri Singbhat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. So these are the one. Any questions?
In all the conferences, right?
Yes, there are 29 constituencies. Will be contesting from all the 29 constituencies.
And from among these, from among those names which you have listed out, like how many of them are sitting MDCs and how many of them are?
Well, sitting MDCs are like sitting Singh Chun, who is also the MLA of Chokpot constituency. He is also the sitting MDC. And Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma is a sitting MDC. And Nogarpara, Sri Lainikar K. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Betta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch is also the sitting MDC. Rochonpara, Sri Albinushn M. Marak, B. Marak, who is also MLA of Silsila constituency, is also the sitting MDC there. And Janjal, Grahambel A. Sangma is also sitting MDC. Then Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Only this are the Asanam, Ansing A. Sangma is also a sitting MDC.
Another thing is that like the date of the polling is going to be announced soon. So how is the preparation? Have you started preparing?
Yes, on the ground, our party is on the job. Our party leaders are already started campaigning in a small way, village to village. All the campaign have already started. And this particular candidates whom we have declared today, they're also already on the field right from November, December, and before that also. Some of them are sitting, so preparation is already there.
From NPP?
Total, I have not counted. There are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad Kesama, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket, but we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. Constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates, those are Raksamgri, Nagwapara, Boldamgri, Silkhigri, Rongrikamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting.